Booking.com is one of the largest online travel platforms, allowing property owners, managers, and hosts to list accommodations, hotels, apartments, villas, guest houses, B&Bs, etc., and reach millions of travelers. Here's a step-by-step guide. Go to the partner portal. Visit partner.booking.com or search Become a Partner, Booking.com on Google. Click Join or List Your Property, prominent button on homepage. Start registration. Click Become a Partner or register your property. Enter your email address, create a password, fill basic info, your full name, phone number, property name, property address, Xie city, country, property type, hotel, apartment, villa, hostel, etc. Number of rooms or units, agree to terms, submit. Complete property details. After email verification, log in to the extranet partner.booking.com. Follow the onboarding wizard. Exact address and GPS coordinates. Star rating, if applicable. Facilities or amenities, Wi-Fi, parking, pool, breakfast, etc. Room types, bed configurations, maximum occupancy. High quality photos, minimum 5 to 10, professional recommended. Bedroom, bathroom, exterior, common areas. Detailed description. Highlight unique features, nearby attractions, house rules, check-in and check-out times. Cancellation policy, flexible, moderate, strict. Set rates and availability. Create rate plans. For example, standard, non-refundable, breakfast included. Use the rate and availability calendar to set prices per night. Add promotions or block dates. Input inventory, rooms available for upcoming months. Activate and go live. Submit for review. Booking.com quality team checks photos, info, and compliance, usually 1 to 7 days. Once approved, your property goes live on Booking.com and partner sites, Priceline, Agoda, etc. You manage bookings, rates, and messages via the extranet dashboard.